Hi, I'm a man in my 50s, and I decided late in life to get married to a woman whose primary language is Spanish. It's her family's Spanish, and I also live in Arizona, and so I found it pretty necessary to learn Spanish. Never thought this late in my life that I would be doing that. So I've tried lots of programs. Past couple of years, I've had 2 tutors. I've had all the apps, and nothing worked. It didn't work for me. It was too. I felt like I was back in high school again, and I didn't enjoy it. And then I met Rocio, and it's been incredible. I've learned more in the past 3 or 4 months than I have in a couple of years before that. And she's intuitive. She gets into you and figures out what you need. She explained to me that I wasn't going to need it fully. I don't need to know every grammatic. I don't need to know how to write it. There's all these things that I don't need, but I need to communicate with my family. I have a whole family who speaks Spanish. Most of them primarily Spanish, or only Spanish. So she broke it down to what I needed to know, and that's what she'll do for you. She'll figure you out. She takes the time to get to know you, the time to get to know what you need, and she gets it moving for you. I'm also learning it for business. So I have both communication with my family, I have communication with business, and I'm using it on a daily basis now. And so 2.5 years prior to that, nothing. I knew nothing. And it's the further I got into it, the more frustrated I became. And I didn't think at this stage in life I was ever going to be able to do it. And now I know I can. And I am. And I'm speaking it, and she'll get to the root of what you need. Trust me. It's amazing. She's amazing. And you're going to love this. Thank you.